In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment in SetMore. Whether you're clearing out past events or organizing your calendar, knowing how to manage your appointments effectively can make a big difference. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, to delete an appointment in SetMore, you'll need to log into your SetMore account. Open your web browser and head over to www.setmore.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Be sure you have the correct username and password on hand, as this will save you time and frustration. If you're having trouble signing in, double check your credentials or use the forgot password feature to recover access to your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you will be greeted by your dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the sidebar. You'll want to click on the calendar option. This will take you to the calendar view where all your scheduled appointments are visually displayed in an organized manner. The calendar is your hub for managing all your scheduled activities, so getting familiar with its layout will help in the long run. Now that you're in the calendar view, your next task is to locate the appointment you wish to delete. This can be easily done by scrolling through the calendar until you find the relevant appointment. These appointments typically appear as blocks within the calendar days, making them easy to identify. Once you've spotted the appointment you'd like to remove, click on that appointment block directly. This action will open up more details about the specific appointment. After clicking on the appointment, a new window will appear. Here, you'll find various options related to the selected appointment. Look for the option that reads either delete or cancel appointment. Click on this option when you find it. This will initiate the deletion process for that specific appointment, and a prompt will appear on your screen. The final step involves confirming the deletion. When the confirmation prompt pops up, you'll be asked to verify that you definitely want to delete the appointment. It's crucial to ensure that you are deleting the correct one, as this action may be irreversible. Double check the appointment details, and once you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion, and there you have it. You've successfully deleted an appointment in SetMore. Remember, managing your calendar effectively can be a powerful tool in staying organized and on top of your commitments. Should you encounter any issues or have further questions about managing appointments in SetMore, don't hesitate to consult the help section within the platform or reach out to their customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.